Hello, welcome to Prism Art TV. For today's video, we're going to make a fun body anatomy diagram using color papers and acrylic paint. Here are our material list. I'll list them below in our description box. First, let's have a pencil sketch of a body that you would like to draw, then make a skin color using acrylic paint. Today's design is going to be done by Anna. Once skin part is painted, I'm going to use this foam paper and cut out the lung shape. We're going to use Elmer's clear glue and Q-tip to glue them. Done! With cello color sheet, I'm going to make a liver. Then with yellow paper, I'm gonna make stomach. Using brown paper, I'm going to make a large intestine. And inside of it, I'm gonna make small intestines using red string size papers and gonna glue them like a spaghetti. And here goes 2 kidneys, the heart, and a food pipe that is connected from mouth to stomach. I'm gonna also add lungs bronchioles, lips, and bladder. Now at last, I'm gonna use black and white color paint and do outlines of the anatomy and add details. We all done! Hope you guys have fun watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. See you guys next week. Bye!